Hi, welcome to Healthie's video on adding, sharing, and managing documents. Healthie Documents replace the need for you to keep a local folder on a computer and can act as a Google Drive or Dropbox for you as you build the repository of materials needed in your business. In addition to controlling patient access to documents, documents are a powerful tool for cross-collaboration of multi-provider practices, as providers can share resources with each other to save time and streamline operations. In this video, we'll learn how to view and manage documents in Healthie, upload a new document, and share a document with patients and team members. To access documents in Healthie, navigate to the Documents page by clicking on the Documents icon in the left side navigation. If you are new to Healthie, you may not have anything in your documents library yet. But once you have uploaded documents, they can either be organized into folders, not organized into folders, or a combination of both. We'll discuss uploading documents shortly, but first, let's see how to view a document. To view a document, click on the Actions tab, which are the three dots next to any specific folder or document. If you click the Actions button here, you'll see a number of options. The first two give us options to view the document. Preview will show us a preview of its contents, whereas Download gives us the option to download the document to our computer. We have a few other options here. First, we can rename the document. This will impact patients if the document is shared with them, as they will see the name of the document has changed, so we don't recommend renaming documents shared with patients frequently. We can also select to move the document, which allows you to rearrange your documents and organize them into folders. And you can also select to add a note. This creates an internal note for your resource, such as what information it contains, or how other members of your organization can utilize this resource with patients. Patients will not be able to see these notes. Next, you have the option to share a document, which we will cover more towards the end of this video. And under Share, you have the option to convert to a private document. This will remove your resource from your general documents library and instead add it to the patient's chart as a private document. Finally, we have the option to delete this document from our document library altogether. To upload a new document, click the Upload Document button in the upper right corner and select the file from your desktop that you'd like to upload to your documents library. Healthie supports file types for Word documents, PDF files, Excel files, including CSV files, and MP3, MP4, and MPEG for video and audio files. During this step, you can organize your files into folders and subfolders, which will allow you to easily find the resources you need. To create a new folder, select New Folder next to the Upload Document button and name your folder. Click Create, and now you can drag and drop existing documents into that folder. Or you can simply open that folder by clicking right on the folder itself and upload documents directly inside of the folder. You can also sort through your files and folders by name, date uploaded, and you can filter by types. Once uploaded, you can easily share a resource or folder with an individual patient, entire client group, or even certain resources automatically shared with patients when they join. Documents shared with patients or other organization members will show up in their document section in Healthie. To share a resource or folder, click on the Actions icon all the way to the right, these three dots, and from there, select the Share option. Now you can select the individual or client group in this drop-down to select who you would like to share it with. There are also two options here for automatically sharing documents with your patients. First, you may share it with all active clients. This will allow you to make your resource available to anyone who is an active client. Or you can share with new clients when they join. Every new client moving forward that is added to Healthie will automatically have access to this resource through their Healthie client portal. If you are using Healthie as part of a business with multiple providers or administrators, you can also leverage the Documents platform to share documents internally with your organization. In this view, either select the individual organization member that you would like to share it with in this dropdown, or you can select the option to automatically share with other members in your organization. Once your sharing preferences are selected, click the blue Save button. If you've shared with patients, they will receive a notification that you've shared a document with them with a call to action to view the document. If you're instead looking to upload a private patient-specific document, you can alternatively upload it directly to the patient's charting area. For this option, navigate to the patient's profile via the client page. Navigate to the charting area along the top menu, and here click View Documents. These are the patient's private documents, where you can view their private documents or follow a similar workflow to create folders and upload documents. When uploading a private document, you can opt to either make this document visible to the patient or not visible to the patient. Any folders and documents that are made visible to the patient will be able to be reviewed by them when they log into their own client portal.